Welcome to Adda 24/7, and we are in Achiever MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. Today's topic is very important from the new portion point of view. New portion is all contemporary portion. Contemporary means presently what is going on. So the portion, today's topic is use of artificial intelligence in banks. Now what is this artificial intelligence? I'll explain that. Okay, so watch this video till the end. Also download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, plus notes, question banks, live classes. You'll be getting this in the app. So whatever you need for JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams, you'll get it over here. Okay, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting the updates on JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams. Also you have the YouTube series, free YouTube series. So whatever is available free, go for it immediately, isn't it? This is the batch coming up. In fact, it has just started on January 16th. Okay, for JAIIB. Just now started. No, not missed. You have not missed much in this. Okay, so all the 4 topics are covered: PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. Also importantly, use the code Y432 to get the maximum discounts. Okay, I'll come to this later. Yeah, what is the schedule for today? The schedule for today is basically AI. So what is AI? That is number 1. Use in the banks means use of AI in the banks, and last one is the objective questions. Okay, so let's start with the first topic. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. See this. Artificial intelligence means whatever manual work is being done by the human being in the banking system, that should be replaced. Manual means which is the routine work. I won't say manual. I'll write it over here. Routine work. Whatever is the routine work needs to be replaced by machines. Okay, so that is basically AI. Where do you see this AI? You see this AI everywhere in the banking nowadays also. Now also you see majority of the functions under AI. Means what is ATM doing? What does ATM do? ATM basically looks at what are the spending habits of that person. It checks basically what cash will be required on a regular basis. So AI goes one step ahead of this ATM. Means how much this cash will be needed in that ATM, that will be immediately reflected to the bank in XYZ ATM. Okay, now what are the elements, what are the spaces, or what are the places where the AI will be used in the banking system? So where will it be used? See this. Number 1, cyber security and fraud detection. These are the places where AI will be most used in the banking system. Cyber security, this is an important aspect now in banking system. Cyber security, isn't it? Means we are mostly on the apps now. Every bank is on the apps, right? So if you are on the apps and it happens something, some attack happens on your system, then immediately the whole thing goes for a toss, right? So fraud detection and cyber security, AI can help a lot in that. Chatbots. What is this chatbot? Chatbot means, I'll show you. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. What is the chatbot? Okay, hold on. Yeah. See this. This is a chatbot. Chatbot means whenever you go on any site or any app, immediately something comes like, how can I help you? And a messaging system comes. This messaging system is nothing but a chatbot. It's an example of AI, artificial intelligence. In this chatbot, what happens? All the details of general questions, 99% questions which are asked by the human being, are generally fed and the answers are fed. Like for example, balances. So immediately, why human being is needed? Immediately this chatbot will give the balances. Okay. So these things, this is basically AI. This is a main example of AI which we are seeing nowadays. Okay. Then we have chatbots. Then we have loan and credit decisions. This is an also important part. Means loan and credit decisions means how a person will spend his money. How much money does a human being require? To that level the banking system has gone and AI system has gone. Tracking market trends means what is going on in the market presently. What are people liking more? For example, how come these shorts have come and reels have come on Instagram? Because they have seen using AI that what is the liking of the human being. Now everyone is going for short messages, short, everything short. So that's why this is the basic logic of bringing AI, and this is the main use of AI. Okay. Data collection and analysis. Data collection means what? It is basically where do I go in a day? What do I spend? Where do I spend my money? What all do I purchase? Everything data is gathered using AI, and then it is segregated. Customer experience. So the customer should get the best experience whenever he visits the branch or whenever he visits the website also. Risk management. Risk management means basically this relates to the cyber security and fraud. Okay, means how can the risk be managed? Now this can also be one more part in this. One more part over here can be, it can be in this banking, treasury system. In treasury, what are the trends going on for the bonds, for the trade finance terms? So there the risk management part will come. Regulatory compliance. This is an important aspect in banking. Many of the banks face problems from RBI because of the compliance being not being done. Okay, so AI can help a lot in this. Predictive analysis. Now this is an important part. Predictive means what? It gives you the strategic upper hand. Means it must give you the information like what is going on, what is going to come in the future. Like I said, the shorts, right, and the reels. Okay, so similarly the future, one example I'll give you. The main future of banking is now in retail loans. Retail loans means consumer loans, smaller loans, 50,000, 40,000, 50,000, these loans. So that is known as the predictive analytics. Means it will tell the bank that, see, focus on these loans now, don't focus on the bigger loans, right? Similarly, process automation. Process automation means what is my routine job? Giving the balances, filling the passbooks, all these are routine jobs. These can be definitely handled by AI. Okay, so AI has applications in all the fields of the banking now. Okay, and it is basically used to replace the monotonous job, okay, and the daily routine jobs of the human beings. Prediction of future outcomes and trends. With this power to predict future scenarios by analyzing past behaviors, AI helps banks predict future outcomes and trends. So it basically checks the past behavior. How does a person spend? On what does that person spend? Okay, so based on that, the AI can predict what this person will be spending in the next 1 year or so. Okay, this helps the banks to identify fraud, detect anti-money laundering pattern, and make the customer recommendations. So this is an important part. Why should I study anything? So that it should be helpful for me as a bank, right? To identify the fraud, detect anti-money laundering pattern. So AML means what? What is AML basically? What is money laundering? What is money laundering? Okay, let me show you. Money laundering has 3 phases always, okay? Because these things should be clear to you in your mind. Okay, money laundering has 3 phases. What are the 3 phases? See here, I'll show you. One is placement, right? One is placement, then second is layering, and third one is integration, right? See this. Placement, layering, and integration. Okay, this is a very important aspect in banking nowadays. You see, why do you submit that cash report for suspicious transaction report? These all reports are to prevent the money laundering. Okay, placement means I'll get some black money from somewhere and try to place it in the bank accounts. Then layering, from one account I'll transfer it to another, from another to the third to the fourth, and then I'll bring it to the real person. 5-6 transfers will be done. And last one is integration. What will I do with this money? I'll then, after 6 to 7 transfers, I'll try to project this money as white money. And what will I do? I'll try to purchase some real estate or some stocks or anything. Okay, so that is basically money laundering. Money laundering will always have 3 stages. Remember this. Okay, placement, layering, and integration. So move on. Yeah, so AI can help the bank in identifying this money laundering pattern also. Make customer recommendation. What is required for each customer? Why do you get these calls nowadays? From all the banks you might be getting the calls. Do you want a loan? Do you want insurance? Because you have searched somewhere on the Google or any search engine about something. Immediately you search something, immediately you come to know about that. Okay, the companies come to know about that. Next is cognitive process automation. What is this cognitive? Cognitive means changing. Remember this system. Changed learning, I will call it. Changed, not only changed, changed learning. Means learning goes on changing nowadays, right? Every time there is a new technology, so we have to learn the new technology. That is basically changed learning. Cognitive process automation. The feature enables automation of variety of information intensive, costly, error prone banking services like claims management. Means what? It makes the standardized processes which are repetitive in nature. It will make these processes inline. It will make these processes hassle free for the customers and for the employees. Okay. So that is cognitive learning, constant learning. Basically remember this constant. We are in the age where constant learning is required in any banking. Okay. Why are you doing this JAIIB and CAIIB? You have already completed the graduations and PGs. So why are you doing this? Because of constant learning. That is the need of the hour now. Okay. Similarly, it is for the machines also. Realistic interactive interfaces means what? Chatbot. Just now showed you that chatbot. Chatbot identifies the context and emotions in the text chat and responds to it in most appropriate ways. So immediately chatbot asks you, "Oh, how are you now? So what is the day? Now what is that? What is that? That Google machine which has come up, right? ELA they call it, ELA, or there are many machines, right? One is ELA and second is some many names are there. Okay, so all these. Can you type some name from the Google? What is the name from the Google? I know ELA. ELA, I know it. That is from, I think so, SBI, right? SBI chatbot is ELA. So similarly for Google we have that those machines. What do we say? So and so, raise the song, play the song. What is that? That is a part of AI only. So realistic interfaces. It understands the moods of the human being and accordingly answers the same. Effective decision making. Cognitive systems that think and respond like human experts provide optimal solutions based on the available data in real time. This system keeps a repository of the expert information in its database called as knowledge database. Bankers use this cognitive learning to make strategic decisions. Now, knowledge database means what? Suppose if I am, let's say, purchasing some share, okay, on 1st of every month, imagine. 1st of every month I am purchasing one typical share. So what will this cognitive learning machine do? It will just track my last 3 months transactions. It will say that, okay, on 1st of every month I am purchasing this share. So what it will do? On the last day of the month, it will immediately pop up a message in my mobile. Let's see, tomorrow is 1st. Kindly purchase this share. If you don't want this share, buy that share. So that is basically effective decision making. So looking at the past patterns, this machine gives me the optimal solutions, okay, and helps me in decision making. Robotic automation of processes. This enables automation of almost 80% of the repetitive work processes, allowing knowledge workers to dedicate their time in the value-added operations that require a high level of human intervention. So in banking, always remember there are almost 70% of the jobs which are repetitive in nature. Okay, so these repetitive jobs can be replaced by the machines, and human beings can be used for actual value-added services. Value-added services means looking at the clients, speaking to the clients, enhancing the businesses. So that can be looked on, right? So in fact, remember, this is the future to come. AI is the future. Okay, in fact, some part of it has already started at the present. Okay, so 80% of the repetitive jobs are converted into machine thing. Right? What is happening now? This passbook filling machine, right? What is that? That is replacing the branch as such. ATM, what is that? ATM is replacing the branch, right? Similarly, fund transfer. What is fund transfer doing? What is this UPI doing? UPI has replaced the clearing department, right? Same thing. Before moving ahead, this is the new batch which has already just started. All the 4 papers, PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. We are covering all the numericals, objective questions, case studies, whatever is required for these 4 chapters. So join this batch immediately. Okay, there are huge discounts available. Okay, what are the discounts? I'll tell you. Everyone, firstly, like the video, Comment if you have understood up till now what do you mean by AI and what are the applications. Press on the bell icon. Everyone, press on the bell icon. If you have any suggestions, you can type in the comment section. Okay. Press on the bell icon. Okay. Let's move on then. So AI is about, this is a question time now. You have to answer. AI is about, artificial intelligence is about what? Playing a game on the computer, making a machine intelligent, programming on the machine with your own intelligence, putting your intelligence in the machine. So what is AI? What are you doing in AI? Playing game on the computer? Just playing the games is AI? No. Let me call it ABCD. Okay, this is A, B, C and D. Okay. Programming on machine with your own intelligence means I am typing some software. Is this AI? No, this is my own intelligence. Putting your intelligence in machine means my intelligence, I'll put it in machine. This is not possible. Any human being's intelligence cannot be put in the machine. We can try to get a maximum out of that, but you can't replace a human being. So the correct answer is what? Either A or B. A is out because playing games is not AI. So making the machine intelligent, this is very important part. Letting the machine think on itself for repetitive works, that is AI. Okay? Got it? So the answer is, everyone, what is the answer do you feel? What is the answer you are feeling? Correct, it is B. What is the second one? The applications of AI are, artificial intelligence are. So what are the applications, important applications? Expert systems, A. B is gaming. C is vision systems and D is all of the above. So what are the applications used in AI? This is new for many of you, because what happens is we are not conversant with these technological changes now. Remember, the answer is all of the above. Okay, all of the above. Because artificial intelligence includes expert systems, gaming, vision systems. In fact, I'll tell you one important part about AI in gaming. Gaming is becoming the important sector in education now. What the major companies or universities are trying is, they are trying to convert the theory into a games so that it becomes interesting for the human being to learn. Because here, otherwise what happens, learning becomes a headache for everyone, right? In your schools and colleges also, just type in the comment section, did you like this learning part as such? Learning, sir, so many books learned. So we get bored, right? So did you like learning? Type yes in the comment section, everyone. In the schools and colleges, did you like this? No. Correct. All of you are typing no. Suppose if they gave you some gaming story type concept for learning, so you would have definitely liked it, isn't it? So that's the main part. Gaming is becoming the important tool in education now. Remember, don't look at games just from those guys playing on the mobile. Okay, games are changing now. Okay, even in banking also gamings are coming in. Okay, so that people can learn more about banking. Okay, through not only notes but an experience as such. CBS stands for core banking solution, code banking solutions, core banking solutions, common banking solutions, credit banking solutions. So what is the answer for this? Code, core, common or credit? Yes, everyone. It is B, core banking solutions, right? CBS, that is a common platform which is used by all the banks, right? All the banks means all the banks have different CBS, their own CBS, right? So all the banks are not having the same CBS, but the features are same, almost similar in each and every bank. Okay. ETF stands for electronic fund transfer, electronic fund transmission, transfer, electronic feature transfer, and none of these. So what is this? Everyone type type fast in the comment section. A, B, C or D? Everyone. Correct. It is EFT, electronic fund transfer. We have that what? NEFT, right? NEFT, RTGS. Okay. So what are these? These are all EFTs, right? Electronic fund transfers, right? Even UPI. What is UPI? UPI is also the same. Electronic fund transfer only, isn't it? Got it, everyone? So EFT stands for B. Yes. Who is known as the inventor of artificial intelligence. So who had invented this artificial intelligence? Charles Babbage, John McCarthy, Alan Turing, and Andrew Ng. Very difficult, isn't it? Many of you are typing Charles Babbage. No, Charles Babbage invented computers. Okay, computer was invented by this guy. Okay, it was John McCarthy. That is the correct answer for artificial intelligence. AI was invented by John McCarthy. Okay. So now, let me discuss the discount parts. Okay, because whatever we are covering, I've already told. Let's go to the website directly. Okay, if you're having the app, I would suggest go to the app. In the app, you will be getting 1% extra discount. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, let me go to Adda 24/7. Yeah. One sec. Yeah. See this. We are now on Adda 24/7. Okay, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Now you'll see the JAIIB, CAIIB Mahapack, CAIIB 23 and JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Once you click on this, you'll see the batches over here. So what are the batches? See this. Click on this English batch. You'll get the details of the batch. What details? All the details. Means what are the timings, what are the dates, then what is the study plan. The study plan will be given over here. So everything is mentioned over here. You can go through that take your own time. Okay, I'll cover two important parts which are very important for you. One is recorded 24/7 videos anytime. So if you miss out on any class anytime, so definitely you can get back the recorded videos. Also live interactive classes are available, so you can definitely go for this live interactive. You can ask the question anytime. Okay, click on view offers for the fees 19,999. So click on view offers, put the code Y432, click on apply. Once you click on apply, see this 19,999 reduces to 3,999. Means 80% off you are getting. Go for it immediately. Okay, definitely go, because such a huge discount you don't get it each and every time. These are special offers going on. Okay, one more thing I'll tell you. Go for Mahapack instead. In Mahapack, what do you get? You get multiple batches. I'll show you what do you get in Mahapack. Okay, click on, let's say, this JAIIB CAIIB Mahapack. Okay, you are in JAIIB, so you can use this Mahapack for JAIIB also and CAIIB also. Read the details. All the details are given. Means 15 plus batches for ABM, for this CAIIB, 15 plus batches for JAIIB. All the video courses are available. Full length mock tests are available. Topic wise mock tests are available. Everything. Okay. Also importantly over here, look at this, the fees part 53,996. It reduces. Click on the view offers. Put the code Y432. Click on apply. Now look at this. Once you click on apply, put the code Y432. You are getting 80% off. 53,996 reduces to 10,799. Such a huge discount you are getting. So go for it immediately. Okay. Why am I stressing on the batches? Because this new portion of JAIIB is having many new things. Means 4 subjects are compulsory now. Okay. That's why. See this, 4 compulsory subjects: IFS, PPB, accounting and finance, retail banking and wealth. Negative marking is removed. Okay, so that's a good sign for you. So definitely go for the courses. Tomorrow I'll be back with another batch. Till then, bye. Firstly, join the batch. Okay.